What if I told you that you don't need expensive courses, foreign teachers, or years of struggle to master English? Yes, you can become fluent sitting at home, using just your phone and a simple daily system. No pressure, no fear, no complicated grammar. In the next few minutes, I will show you how ordinary people turn their homes into powerful English learning machines and how you can do the same starting today. Mastering English at home is not about talent. It is about strategy. Many people believe they cannot learn English because they are shy, weak in grammar, or from a non-English background. But the truth is simple. Fluency is built through daily exposure, small habits, and smart learning, not intelligence. If you can scroll social media every day, you can master English. The environment you create matters more than the school you attend. The first mindset you must build is this. Stop thinking like a student and start thinking like a user. Students memorize rules. Users live the language. If you want to master English at home, you must surround yourself with English naturally. Change your phone language to English. Follow English pages. Watch content in English daily. Even if you understand only 30%, it works. Your brain learns through repetition, not perfection. Listening is your first superpower. Before speaking like a pro, you must hear the language again and again. Many learners skip listening and jump into speaking, then feel frustrated. Instead, spend at least 30 minutes every day listening to English. It can be podcasts, YouTube videos, interviews, or movies. Don't try to understand every word. Just relax and absorb the rhythm. Your brain will slowly start predicting sounds, and fluency will grow naturally. Next comes shadowing, one of the most powerful techniques you can use at home. Shadowing means listening and repeating at the same time. Play a short English clip and try to copy the speaker's tone, speed, and emotion. Don't pause. Don't overthink. Just follow like an echo. This builds pronunciation, confidence, and natural flow. Even 10 minutes of shadowing daily can transform your speaking ability within months. Speaking alone is not weird, it is smart. Many fluent speakers practiced alone before speaking publicly. Talk to yourself in English daily. Describe what you're doing. Say things like, I am making tea, or today I'll finish my work early. This may feel strange at first, but it builds thinking in English, which is the real key to fluency. When you stop translating in your head, you start becoming fluent. Reading is another secret weapon that most learners ignore. Reading improves vocabulary without memorization. Start with simple content. Short stories, subtitles, social media posts, or easy articles. Don't choose difficult books in the beginning. The goal is flow, not struggle. When you read regularly, you start recognizing patterns automatically. Words repeat. Sentence structures become familiar. Your brain learns silently. Now, let's talk about vocabulary. Many people try to memorize hundreds of words daily and quit after a week. That approach never works. Instead, learn vocabulary through context. Whenever you see a new word, learn it inside a sentence. For example, instead of memorizing the word confident, learn a sentence like, she spoke confidently during the interview. Context builds memory. Isolated words fade away, but meaningful sentences stay. Writing is your personal gym for English mastery. You don't need to become a writer. Just write small things daily. Maintain a simple English journal. Write about your day, your thoughts, or your goals. Even 5 lines daily can improve your grammar and clarity. Writing slows down your thinking, which helps you notice mistakes and learn faster. Fear is the biggest enemy of fluency. Most learners know basic English, but are afraid of making mistakes. Remember this. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Every fluent speaker made thousands of mistakes. Fluency is not about speaking perfectly. It is about speaking without fear. Replace the goal of perfection with the goal of expression. If people understand you, you are winning. Your home can become a powerful English zone if you design it intentionally. Put sticky notes on objects with their English names. Change your daily habits into learning triggers. Watch English while eating. Listen to English while walking. Speak English while getting ready. When learning becomes part of your lifestyle, progress becomes automatic. Consistency beats intensity every time. Studying 10 hours in one day and quitting for a week will not help. But 30 minutes daily for 6 months will change your life. Small daily actions compound into massive results. Treat English like brushing your teeth, a non-negotiable habit. Technology is your biggest advantage today. You don't need classrooms anymore. You have unlimited resources in your pocket. Use voice typing to practice pronunciation. Record yourself speaking and listen back. This will help you notice gaps and improve faster. Many learners avoid hearing their own voice, but this step builds massive self-awareness. Another powerful method is imitation. Choose one English speaker you admire and study their style. It can be a YouTuber, podcaster, or public speaker. Watch them regularly and copy their energy and expressions. Imitation is how children learn languages, and it works for adults too. Stop obsessing over grammar rules. Grammar is important, but not in the beginning. Think of grammar as a polishing tool, not the foundation. Many fluent speakers make small grammar mistakes but communicate confidently. Focus first on understanding and expressing ideas. Grammar will improve naturally over time. You must also train your ears for different accents. English is spoken differently around the world. Listen to various accents so your brain becomes flexible. This will make real conversations much easier in the future. Exposure removes confusion. Tracking progress keeps you motivated. Record a 1-minute video of yourself speaking today. Then record another after 1 month. Compare them. You will notice improvement. Progress becomes visible when you document your journey. This builds confidence and consistency. Motivation will not always stay. Some days you will feel lazy or discouraged. That is normal. On those days, reduce the difficulty, but don't quit. Watch a fun English video instead of studying. Listen to music in English. Stay connected to the language in any way possible. The goal is continuity, not intensity. Celebrate small wins. If you understood a full English video without subtitles, celebrate. If you spoke for 2 minutes without stopping, celebrate. Small wins create momentum. Momentum creates mastery. Your environment matters more than your background. You don't need an English-speaking country. You need an English-speaking routine. When your daily life includes listening, reading, speaking, and thinking in English, your home becomes your classroom. Patience is the final ingredient. Fluency is not instant. It grows quietly. Like a plant, you water it daily and trust the process. Many people quit just before breakthrough. Stay consistent, and one day you will realize that you are thinking in English without effort. That moment will change your confidence forever. So if you truly want to master English at home, remember this simple formula: daily exposure, fearless speaking, smart listening, and long-term consistency. You don't need perfect grammar, expensive courses, or foreign travel. You need discipline, curiosity, and belief in yourself. Start today. Not tomorrow. Not next month. Speak 1 sentence today. Listen for 10 minutes today. Write 5 lines today. Small beginnings create powerful transformations. 1 year from now, you can either wish you started today or proudly say that you did. Your home is not a limitation. It is your launch pad. And your English journey begins the moment you decide to start.